Hello everyone, here we are gathered for our audit course, which are going to represent our case study on subject of SATKARM. Here is our team. We are from computer department from SYA, and here is our team. The case study of our team is uh, we have to growth our EV companies from second position to achieve second position in market, earn 10% profit from per scooter, sell 50% more than within 6 months, and fix major issues that we uh, heard from our customers, and no price hike to maintain our decorum. So there are some main issues that our customer face. Comfort issue, that the on uncomfortable roads our customers uh, registered that they feel uncomfortable to drive. They also registered that they face battery problem, that like a slow charging and sudden battery drops. There is an app issue, not user friendly and not optimized. They have difficult to use UI of our app, and our vehicle is heavier than our competition. So here is first our question. The company wants to do an analysis of the app and what is the need to improve. Mind map the top 10 features and would want in the app for electric scooter, and explain which are the top 5 features which would be most useful and why. So here are our 10 most 10 top features that we are going to implement. The real-time battery monitoring. The second one is smart ride notification. And third is a trip history and analysis. Fourth is a Google Map navigation. Fifth is a service alert and booking. Sixth is document upload and storage. Seventh is remote lock and unlock. Eight is a live scooter location for tracking. 9 charging station locator, and 10th is a initialize UI UX in dark mode. So here is our first top one priority feature, that real time battery monitoring, avoiding sudden power cuts by showing accurate charging range and battery health. This feature will improve our company's reputation, as the customer have the main complaint about it. As we solve this, we can make profit more. And our second prioritized feature is smart riding notification, sending timely notification for low batteries, outdates info. uh, to do this, we will improve our app and our dashboard which is on our scooter. And the third one is Google Map navigation, offers easy and in app navigation with route optimization. This will help our customer to take their ride more easily and reach their destination more reliably and safely. The fourth feature is service alert and booking. Let's user schedule services and checkups, reducing breaking chances. Then fifth hour is initializing UI UX with dark mode to ensure clean and modern and easy to use interface, improve user satisfaction, and this will also improve its battery life. And the second question, list the potential reasons for any of the issues which are the customers have complained about, and write the test scenarios you would use to test and ensure they have been fixed. So there are main two issues, the battery drain and app issues. The battery has such reasons, just like battery wear, poor charging indicator, and insufficient charging station. To test these scenarios, checking battery drop during rides, uh, verifying low battery alerts, and test full charging time above than 4 hours. checking battery temperature while charging. This scenario will improve gives us result about how is battery working and how is software giving response from our batteries. This will improve the customer behavior. The second is app shows old and delay. To there are certain reasons, some reasons show backend synchronization, app not refresh data, bugs in notification. To test this prob- to resolve this problem and test them, we have some scenarios. Trigger real-time alerts. Example: no battery, checking time, refresh data, test after events, test on the poor networks, test app in the background mode. This will help user to interact with more easily with app and the vehicle, and this will improve their experience and also ensure their security. And that's all. The from the next slide, Vineet will take over. Vineet will take over.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the third question related to the company. Use the inside out and outside in the techniques of the releasing a product to the market, and list top five things you would do in inside out planning to release the new app to the market, and outside in the planning for releasing the new app. Next slide. Inside out planning, company to customer, addressing the core problems, enhance the app performance and real time syncing and notifications, enhancing the UI, test rigorously, execute the functional performance and device test, train the support team, develop the help of documentation and FAQs for the new feature, secure data exchange, make app cloud vehicle integration seamless and secure. In sort of planning, we are talking about the company to customer services. In that company, core problems are like enhancing the app performance and real-time syncing. We will try to take the proper data, and by the analyzing the trend of the previous data, we will try to find the accuracy in it, and we will improve our real-time syncing and push the notifications about charging the vehicle at the low batteries and other things also. When we talk about the outside planning, customer to company, user surveys and feedback, learning pain points and most requested features. It is the most requested feature in our app. We want to include. We have to take the user surveys and feedback. What are goods and what are pros and cons of our vehicle, and what we need to improve. By taking the feedback, we will do the improvement our vehicle and our system and company also. Beta testing with the real users. Before launching our new app, we will do the test beta testing, like just like the movies. We just in the Hollywood, big movies can do the test screening of the movies which are which are really big and which are multiple billion-dollar projects. They do the project screening, which have two or more or three endings. The test audience is able to watch that film, and among those audience, whose response is really great, whose feedback is really up to the mark, then that ending is finally selected for the all world also. We will do the same kind of concept for our app and our company also. Third is analyzing the competitors. Here we have discover what users like about competing apps, create the buzz, release the teaser and campaigning demos, simplifying onboarding, make the first user easily understand feature. Analyzing the competitor and creating the buzz, we can take the example of the companies like Zomato and Blinkit. They are always in the limelight because of their marketing agencies. Zomato and Blinkit Blinkit, Swiggy, and other quick commerce companies do the various ads on the Instagram and put the various um ads on the hoardings also in the city, which are really attracted and which are really catchy to eyes, and its sarcasm is up to the mark. So marketing is done brilliantly by them, and we can take the inspiration from them. Next slide. The based on the list of the top 10 features you have selected, do a relative priority exercise to mark them from P1, P2, and then from 1 to 10, explain what you have decided those priorities. Next slide. Uh, our feature, first important feature is the real-time battery and rank updates. It solves the major customer problem because our current existing product has the low battery capacity, and it is affecting our customers and other our companies also badly. So we will work on that. And the second one, second topmost priority is navigation using Google Maps. As I said, companies like Swiggy and Zomato and Zepto are taking API keys and other things from the Google Map itself. We will try to integrate our software, work on the backend software team, and develop and uh, we will improve, try to improve the right quality on the basis of the software. Also, charging station locator. We will try to install the we will we will try to show the all the charging all the charging stations of our company in the Google Map itself, and it must be present in the all the college campuses and crowded places, also public places also. Over this timeline notification and all like alerts and issues, fixing the major grievances and ensures the safety. Uh, if we if you have watched the Shark Tank videos in which one company on companies has developed the helmet in which there is an integrated camera and other safety features also, which sends the emergency SOS signal on the any emergency situations. We will try to integrate in our system also. Smooth UI and UX redesign. We will try to make our app more user friendly and it more colorful and more bright looking and more colory. Vehicle health diagnostics. We will try to aids early detection of issues and builds trust. We will provide the servicing and other durability services and other things time to time. First, seven priority is the document storage RC license. We will provide RC license and other kind of legal stuff on the buying date itself. The customer has to book our electric vehicle as early as possible, and they at least 10 to 15 days before the actual delivery. I mean, we will try to provide the RC license and all the legal stuffs on the that day itself. Right history and stats. The concern of the many parents is that their child is not asking them and taking their bikes and scooters without their permission. So it is right history and stats, especially feature for the parents. So by which they can track their children's. And they cannot, they don't have to ask for their, then so they don't have to take tension about their rights. Remote lock, unlock, and horn. We will try to improve our security system about regarding our app. Anyone should not hack and should not hack or get the remote access from anywhere. We will try to improve our security and horn also. User profile and vehicle sync. User profile must. We will try to develop user profile in our app. And vehicle syncing must be smooth and extremely very good. We will can take the inspiration from the Tata Motors and Tesla itself. Next slide. Question number five. The company is collecting the data in the cloud already, but have had the bad performance issues to update and collect the data and update the app. What can be the reasons for that, and what would need to the improve for the data integration from the vehicle to the cloud and send the data post analysis to the app? I'm trying to give in the answer. The solution might be the potential causes of the performance issues. Slow internet services can be the major reason for it because India is not fully 5G updated yet, and there is no 5G data present. 5G or 4G networks are present in the all over India and our majority regions of our Maharashtra and India. So it is affecting us. Slowly optimized API can be the one of the reasons for the slow data syncing, app processing, and transfer. Also, high data volume not well managed, no batching and compression. Our systems are not currently taking the data and compressing it and trying to encrypt it. It is directly uploaded on the server, so it is going to get a really harsh for the servers also. And there is a big set of data. We will try to manage it and classify it very uh, easily after this conversation and meeting also. no cache or queue systems, resulting in delays in TLS during high traffic. We will try to solve the traffic issues. Cloud database latency, slow reads and writes or pure schema design. We will try to integrate the other services like from AWS, like Amazon DynamoDB and other things to make our database management system really great, and which will help our customers to take the data and use the data smoothly. No real-time architectures, using the poolings rather than the events. Improving the data integration, utilize the MQTT WebSocket protocols, lightweight real-time communication. Use the edge computing process low-level data on the vehicle prior sending. We will try to take data from the vehicle. We will try to encrypt it. We will try to compress it, so the servers on our load on our servers will be lesser. It will be easier to us also to handle the data, to push the notifications to the customers. It can be the smoother process. We are trying to implement it in the upcoming days. Implement the data queue, example Kafka, RabbitMQ, and regulate the flow smoothly. Employ CDN or cache layers for the faster data access by the app. If you take the example of Netflix yourself, Netflix uses the Apache Cassandra, Apache Kafka for integrating, taking the low latency from their streaming platforms. We will try to integrate those same things in our by using the Kafka and RabbitMQ like functions. If you take the example of Adobe, they have Photoshop, they have After Effects, they have Premiere Pro. But all these softwares can be easily interlinked with each other with the help of media encoder software, which helps to compress the data, and it is easily to take the linking between those other three softwares will be easier with the help of a media encoder. Like that, we can use the Kafka here and RabbitMQ in our app system to align all the software issues and try to solve it very easily. I will hand over to Mr. Asad for the next presentation.
So the next question is, the company would like the app to have the intelligence and provide recommendation to the driver. So what kind of data should be app collect from the vehicle, and what kind of recommendations can be done? Is there a possibility to use ML or AI for this analysis, and if so, what can we use in that cases? Next slide. So the solution can be in three parts. The first part is what data to be collect. So first we can collect the data from the battery health and charge cycles. We can have the GPS and speed. We can collect the data from riding behavior. We can have the data from the trip history and charging patterns. So, and the next part is smart recommendation via AI and ML. We can have the accurate range prediction, what range it can go. The next is the eco mode and route suggestions. It will suggest the eco and which route should be taken. Another one is maintenance alert. Next is a charging station recommendation and ride behavioral tips. So how we will implicate the AI in this? So first is a predictive maintenance. So we will notify it before a component fails. Next one is a smart range estimator. It will be a real-time update based for the right statistics. Another is anomaly detection. It will mark out of the ordinary battery or system activity. And next is personalized insight. It will give the personalized insight for the rider for it better efficiency. Next slide, please. So the next question is, what can be the business and the operational metrics and measurement the company can use for the new version of the vehicle and the goals they have for it. Business metrics can be around revenue, profits, etc., while operational metrics can be around quality, delivery times, and etc. What all the metrics which companies measure their performance when manufacturing and selling electric vehicle? Next slide, please. So the solution can be in two parts. First, we will focus on the business metrics. So it focuses on mainly sales, revenue, and profitability. So first is unit sold. So it will monitor 50% growth should be in 6 months.
Another is profit margin. So it will improve from minus 10. It will have the margin from minus 10 to plus 10%. Another is revenue per vehicle. It will maintain the earnings stability. Next is market share. There we have the target to achieve the second position. And the last one is customer app engagement. It will measure the app users and stickiness. Talking about the operational matrices, there can be various parts like we have to count the key issue. Our goal is to we have to go from 0 to 3. Another way charging, it should be under 4 hours. Another one is vehicle weight. It should tie or beat the others. Next is the defect rate. We have to enhance our manufacturing quality, so it should not show any defect. And the last but not least, that is update speed and accuracy of the app. We have to update the version of the app for the better accuracy and speed. So I will hand over to Shraddha.
Okay, so next question is research on the evolution of the domain of the electric vehicle and represent it on the slide in and the impactfully way on what you have been evolved and the where you think it will be 10 years from now. So the next slide please. So the solution is let's understand how electric vehicles have been evolved and the when they are be heading. So in the earlier stage, that is from the 2000 to 2010, EV had to be low ranges and the expensive battery. In that means there were means very few in the charging station. As a result, only the few people use them. So next phase is 2010 to 2024. That is the growth phase. In that phase, the battery technology improved, giving a range from the 300 to 300 to the 500 kilometer. Big companies like the Tesla become popular and the charging stationary increase and the government support to the EV. As we know that the government makes some subsidies and policy which supported for the EV electric vehicle. So next one is a smart app started showing the real time vehicle and the charging data. In the future outlet that is a 2025 to the 2035 in that phase, we expected to be the solid state battery with the over 1000 kilometer range and the fast charging. Electronic vehicle might be drive themselves. That is when the automatic driving that we are expected nowadays. Now also AI will be give a smart suggestion to the driver. Vehicle to be the grid take will be the allow the EV to the give the power back to the grid. The next one is a lighter design will be have vehicle more energy efficient. Now we can see that now their vehicle are the lightweighted vehicle and we expected that their battery lifetime is more than before vehicle or we expected that our vehicle will be the 1000 plus kilometer and the fast charging in our vehicle. So next slide. So next one question is what can be the very user-friendly design of the tablet, dashboard UI on the vehicle, what data should it show, draw the UI design pen and the paper and the submit a picture, also write the way in which the user will be use the touch screen to the interact with the UV, comment on what the UV will have by default and the how the user can be navigate on the UV and the what all function it should have with the goal of the keeping it easy to use. So next slide. Next slide. Now let's talk about the how the dashboard inside an EV and the design for the is to use. The first one is a default display. In the default display, show the speed battery percentage, establish the range, navigate the map for the turn by turn direction, odometer and the trip data in that. Next one is the connectivity, that is a Bluetooth signal and the alert like the low battery features are there in electronic vehicle. So next point is the touchscreen feature. In the touchscreen feature, swipe to the swipe between the dashboard, map, history, and the setting. Tap to the access the light drive model and the notification, and also the long press for the more advanced setting. The next feature in that is the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, the simple icon at the bottom, home, map, dogs, history setting, time alert, and the network information also visible at the top of the site. This kind of the design makes it very easy to be used and the user to be interact with the vehicle system. Thank you.
Thank you for hearing our presentation. Our suggestions and recommendation will improve to uh, profits of company and also improve the customer experience towards our scooter and its app UI and its overall experience. Thank you.